Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Math 20-3, Chapter 4, Section 5, Perspective Drawings, Part 2. Now, in the previous video, we talked about perspective drawings and vanishing points, how to do it, get the vanishing point in the distance. Now, example 3, where's the vanishing point in this drawing? Well, as I explained in the last class, you have straight lines, and they all head in the same direction. So these cross, and now you're doing that happens off screen. Now, not that that's drawing too big. That's okay. Now, someone will also point out, Mr. Sutton, another perspective line going back here. Ooh, that's way too big. My apologies. Now, as I mentioned in class, you are only responsible for 1-point perspective drawings. I will not make you do a 2-point perspective drawing. But I think it's quite reasonable. You can look at this and go, oh, there's definitely 2 perspective points here. This gives it a lovely 3-dimensional view. No, I would never ask you to do a 2-point perspective drawing, but you can find them on a drawing. Okay? That's what I need to be able to do. Now, the whole idea behind this is that you can, and it's another way to put a 3-dimensional image on a 2-dimensional piece of paper. Now, I want us to review a little bit of isometric drawings from last lesson. Remember, all the lines are the same and they're all at 30-degree angles. So, top, front, right. So drawing this, I'm going to do the front first. Now, my first instinct is to draw back. Okay. Now, I want to point out here, I'm going to make it twice as big. All right. So instead of one block, I'm going to make it 2 lines of the block. Now, that's your front, good. Okay. Then you got your right side. Now, notice I said this is your first instinct. So I'm doing this with you because there's a trick to this. 1, 2, and that's what I'm doing. Okay. And then there's your top here. And you're going, what the heck? Because this doesn't fit, because there'll be block here, and then you go back 1, 2, and then what? You realize playing tricks on you. What's happening here is that your right side is not all sticking up like this. Your right side is partially here. These 2 blocks. And this one block here. Block here. Oh, you poopy. Sorry, I didn't need to do that. Put the rest of my right side there. Okay. So here's the trouble. We're trying to do a 3-dimensional drawing of 2D shapes. So that means our front, not like that. And here, these are our front, and there's our top, and there's the rest of our top. Sneaky. If you use your imagination, you can see the top looks like this, the L shape. The right side looks like this, but it's cut here in 2 different parts. And the front is this L shape that was cut here in 2 different parts. Ooh. Alright? Now that's going to be interesting. So that is interesting to draw. See how that goes? I hope so. Now I need you to make a 1-point perspective drawing for your isometric drawing. Ooh. So, remember the isometric, sorry, a one-point perspective? What we do is we look we look at it face on. So up front, what color did I put the front here? The front was red. Now, this is an incredible painting of Bumblebee. Okay, so there's the front. We need our horizon, and we need a vanishing point. I'm arbitrarily going to put the vanishing point there because I can. Alright? So far so good? And then we'll draw some lines. Points. And then we'll leave. Oh. Put it in like that. Now, so far so good? Alright. Now, what's wrong with this? Yes. This top part is further back here, so we have to change it. So we shouldn't be doing this. I shouldn't change it. It's kind of messy. This will be more of a bonus question. Like that. Just like that. You can the front. This one goes back here. Like that. And this is horrible drawing. But you sort of kind of get the idea of what I'm aiming for. And this is why I don't stress it, because I'm not an artist, but somebody be an artist and will do this and embarrass me. Make it look clever. Anyway, that's enough for me. You have an idea what I want you to do. Now go try the classwork on this. If you've got any questions, shoot me an email, otherwise I'll see you tomorrow. Good luck.